Oh, look at that. Oh, it shows so good on the camera. I don't care. Oh, Troy, you're going to really like these.
Oh. Alright.
Sorry. You need to stand up, sister.
Hey, Bob.
What? Oh, because of the Chinese girl told you to? Bruh. I'm gonna come over here because, see, they're gonna piss me off in a little bit. This is it. They used to have music out here, you know? Here? I did. Okay, I did. See, I gotta go up in the air too. Look at that. Look at that. Oh.
Yeah, keep it just like that.
Oh, that's nice. Ain't that nice? Joshua Little one here, he slept through the whole time. Wake your butt up, boy. He was so tired. Okay. Bring your daughter to say hi. Oh, tell her I say hello. She's the other D. I'm not hanging out with you, I'm hanging out with her. Where's she at? She just got to work at TJ Maxx. You know what? She had to go to work. She works at ODU too? She works at St. Henry Elementary. Okay. And they just still got her job. They signed her on for next year. She got her and so she works part-time. And she got a boy, you are so loud. Everybody don't want to hear you talking. Everybody can hear you. And then he wondered why people don't get people when he tell people to be quiet. They don't want to do that around him because he in the house is so irritating. He can't even put the TV up sometimes. But I like when he's outgoing. That's what I like. All right, come on. That's it. That's it, y'all. Yeah, that's why. That's the finale. Yay! Okay, let's start walking, boys, because we got to get back. It's over.
No, it's not. It's still going. Yeah, America!
Please say that's it. Yay! Okay, time to go home.